Good afternoon, I'm Damien from Fine & Country and I'm here today at Helscott, a 5-bedroom 17th century property located just 2 miles south of Bude. The main farmhouse dates back to the 17th century, has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 4 reception rooms, offers extremely spacious and adaptable living. Granary Barn is a reverse level 2-bedroom property which provides these amazing views back over the town of Bude and the sea beyond. Rose Cottage is a detached 3-bedroom property which has the most stunning living space, also known as the roundhouse. Oak Barn is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom cottage that is full of character and charm. Which is a 2-bedroom cottage with this really impressive open plan kitchen living space. Ivy Barn is again a 2-bedroom cottage, but benefits from a stunning galleried main bedroom. If you have any questions or to arrange an early viewing, please don't hesitate to call Fine & Country on 01 288 353 661. Thank you.